So this is interesting. Samsung is now going to be releasing their Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 a month early. Why are they doing this? So last year they announced the Z Fold and Flip 4 on August 10th. Then went ahead and released it to the public by the end of August, early September. Well, this year they're actually doing it a month earlier than that. The reason why they're doing this is because they don't want to be following Google and OnePlus for their releases. So next month in May, we're going to see the Google Pixel Fold. And it's going to completely shock the world when that phone eventually does fully come out and we can see it on screen. Reviewers can get the device, talk about it, show it off, and really see how amazing that device really is. And in my opinion, I think it's going to be one of the best foldable phones we see this year. So because of that, Samsung's in a weird event, right? Because they know that's going to take away buyers from the Z Fold 5. Then OnePlus now is releasing their first foldable phone in July. So Samsung's like, well, we want to get our product out as soon as humanly possible then. And especially because if they're going to get their product out in July, the rumors, the leaks, the images, they will start popping off right around the middle of May. Right when people might start preparing and buying or thinking about buying the Google Pixel Fold. Or people are thinking about buying the OnePlus, or thinking about, well, not buying it yet, but are thinking about the OnePlus. Samsung's like, no. Let's get all those awful ideas out of your guys' head, and let's put it in the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. So we're probably going to see a massive leak sometime next month, around the middle of the month, right when we see the Pixel Fold actually showing off. The Pixel Fold will be shown off on the 10th, but it probably won't actually be in people's hands until the end of May. So we'll probably see a huge leak right around that time period. So Samsung is going to be very relevant in people's brains. And we're probably going to see a massive leak in the context of it's going to be something amazing about the Z Fold devices, whether it's the Z Fold 5 or Z Flip 5. We recently talked about a leak where we saw the actual screen of the Z Flip 5 and also the screen of the Z Fold 5. And to be honest, again, like I said many times, these Z Fold devices, Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, they're going to be one of the best foldable phones from Samsung in a very long time too. So it's kind of a weird situation. The only foldable phone we have not seen anything of is the Surface Duo 3, right? We haven't really seen any leaks or information about that phone. But from these other phones, they look absolutely amazing. So them all coming out at the same time, it's going to really make people start, preparing and thinking about which phone they want to pick up. Now, the thing is, right, when do people usually buy phones? During the holidays, right? That's why you see so many commercials about phones during the holidays. Usually, when a phone comes out, that's why they usually come out, by the way, August, September, October time, holiday season. So that's why usually we don't see a phone, for example, the Pixel Fold coming out in May. We usually don't see that, right? And we usually don't see Samsung come out with their phone in July or OnePlus in July. But I think what's going to happen is all these companies know Microsoft's releasing the Surface Duo 3 in probably September time period. So this is going to be the craziest holiday rush of all time when it comes to the foldable phone industry. Because all of these companies are like, get our phone out there, get the talking out there, get the talk out there. People are going to love it. People are going to talk about it. And this holiday season, we're going to sell so many phones. I wouldn't be surprised at this point if we see more foldable phones sold this holiday season than ever before in history of foldable phones. Because it's just going to be so much publicity, so much talking. I can't wait for the advertisements this holiday season with how crazy they're going to be around foldable phones. It's going to be a grand holiday season. I'll definitely say that. But Google is definitely making moves because I truly do believe this, and this article does talk about this, where Google releasing their Google Pixel Fold is actually going to be pushing Samsung to release this early. So definitely something. And again, if the Pixel Fold is successful, which I truly hope it is, I truly believe it will be, it's going to be a game changer. It's really going to be a game changer. We're going to see so much more competition in this industry. We're going to see so many, more companies step forward, Apple included, who want to get in this industry because of the fact that it's going to show you can actually make money. And if you create a good product, you can actually, boom in this industry. So definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.